Hey guys, Lark here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about the AirPods, the second generation without the wireless charging feature, and we're going to be talking about the Beats Flex, which is one of the budget edition Beats product that was released last year by Apple. So talking about the similarities between the both of them obviously come from Apple, and also both of them have the W1 chip, the Apple W1 chip, which lets you automatically connect to any iOS device. So one of the most amazing things that I like about the Flex is that you can magnetically connect them to pause and remove them to play. I think this feature is probably one of the most useful features that you can have on the headphones. Although Apple is not the first to do this, but this feels really good with the Beats, because normally Apple doesn't release budget-friendly headphones, but the Beats is definitely one of the best that they've released last year. So talking about the AirPods themselves are truly wireless headphones. These have been around for quite a long time, and they're the favorite of a lot of people. A lot of people really love using the AirPods. But one thing that I don't like about the AirPods compared to the Flex is that with the AirPods, when you take out one tip, it pauses the music. Sometimes I just feel like you want to take out one tip and you want to listen to only one side because you want to hear what is going on around you. So with the Flex, you can definitely do that. You can just take out one side if you're going for a run, or if you're in doing something else and you want to listen to what other people are saying, then you can just remove one tip and the music doesn't stop, which is a really useful feature. Another thing is, with truly wireless earbuds, if you lose one of them, then it's really too much of a bother. You probably throw the other one away, or you try to sell the other piece, which is quite troublesome. But with the Beat Flex, definitely you cannot lose just one side, because it is not a truly wireless headphone. You have wires around that connect around your neck and fit quite comfortably. So it's definitely one of the biggest advantages of the Flex. Talking about the sound quality of the AirPods, and definitely the AirPods Pro will be way better than that of the Beats, because definitely the Apple AirPods are branded Apple products. Although Beats are owned by Apple, Beats is not exactly a branded Apple product. So you don't expect Apple to make the Beats better than the AirPods. The sound of the AirPods are definitely better than the Beats. But one advantage that the Beats does have against the AirPods is that the Beats Flex actually has noise reduction. It doesn't have active noise cancellation, unlike the AirPods Pro. It just has noise reduction, which feels a little bit like noise cancellation, in the form that it does drown out the sound around you. When you're playing your music, you don't hear a lot of sound around you, which is a really great feature. It also has wind reduction on the mics. Although the mics are not exactly the best, but they do have wind reduction, which is really good. Talking about the bass and treble, the bass and treble of both of them are extremely good, especially with the Beat Flex. For the price that it comes in, the bass and treble are excellent. Obviously, you expect that from an Apple product and also from a Beat product. These are things that Apple are specialized in. They are wonderful products that produce excellent sound, like the AirPods Pros, the HomePod Mini. Most of Apple's products have excellent sound because the Apple sound engineers are just fantastic. So my recommendation, if you want to pick one up, I would just say, if you're someone that's kind of careless, then you should probably not pick up the AirPods, because if you pick up the AirPods, you might probably lose one piece, or you might lose them. So you might want to pick up the Beat Flex. But if you're not a careless person, then definitely pick up the AirPods. The AirPods do have better sound quality for me. But if you're someone that's not bothered by wires and you don't need something truly wireless, then definitely picking up the Beats Flex is also an option. Another thing that I wanted to add is, both of them are not water resistant. So definitely don't get them wet. Don't go in swimming with any of them. They do have a little bit of water resistance, in the sense that if you go jogging, or you go play a sport, or you go to the gym and you get little sweat on them, then that's perfectly fine. But I will not go out in the rain playing with them on. Definitely you should not do that. They are not water resistant. So if you put them in water, or you dunk them in water, then definitely they are going to get bad. So this is something that you should definitely look to avoid. So my point is, either one of them are perfectly fine, but definitely if you are looking for something budget and you are on the budget side of things, then you should look at the Beat Flex, because for me the Beat Flex has an amazing sound, it has an amazing build quality, it doesn't feel cheap in any way whatsoever. You also have the amazing magnetic pause and play, which is truly amazing. It fits around your neck perfectly. Even if you wrinkle it and put it in your ear, once you take it out, it just expands back, which is something that's so amazing. But if you're not on a budget and you're looking for something extremely good, then you can just get the AirPods, but it's up to you. But personally, for anyone, I would definitely recommend the Beat Flex. The Beat Flex is truly amazing for the price. You will not regret buying this. The sound quality is amazing, the noise reduction is amazing. It's something that you would enjoy for a long time. And as we all know, Apple products are something that have long lifespans. They are always supported for a long period of time. So getting the Beat Flex, you will not regret that decision. The Beat Flex is totally awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you hit the subscribe button and you hit the like button. If you enjoyed the video, please share, and thank you so much.